Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel, Health and Beauty Vibes. Today, we're delving into the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda to create customized face masks tailored to your dosha. Whether you have sensitive, dry skin like Pitta dosha, dry and sensitive skin like Vata dosha, or oily skin like Kapha dosha, we've got you covered with homemade recipes. Let's dive in. Let's start with a soothing mask perfect for Pitta dosha, known for its sensitive nature. For this, you'll need cucumber, cooling and hydrating, ideal for calming sensitive skin. Aloe vera gel, soothes irritation and reduces redness, perfect for Pitta's sensitive skin. Begin by peeling and chopping half a cucumber, then blend it into a smooth paste. Next, mix in 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel to the cucumber paste. Apply the mask evenly to your face, allowing the cooling ingredients to calm and soothe your sensitive skin. Next, let's nourish dry, sensitive Vata skin with a hydrating mask. You'll need ripe banana, moisturizing and rich in vitamins, perfect for hydrating dry skin. Honey, a natural humectant that locks in moisture and soothes dryness. Mash half a ripe banana in a bowl and mix in 1 tablespoon of honey until smooth. Apply the mask to your face, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water for soft, supple skin. Lastly, let's tackle oily Kapha skin with a balancing mask. You'll need Multani Mitti, full as earth, absorbs excess oil and impurities, leaving the skin feeling fresh and clean. Rose water balances oil production and tones the skin without drying it out. Mix 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti with enough rose water to form a smooth paste. Apply a thin mask layer to your face, focusing on oily areas, and let it dry for 10-15 minutes. While the masks work their magic, take a few moments to relax and enjoy some self-care. After the masks have dried, rinse them off with warm water, revealing refreshed, balanced, and glowing skin. There you have it, 3 Ayurvedic face masks tailored to your dosha. Incorporate these into your skincare routine for a natural, personalized glow. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holistic beauty tips. Until next time, take care and embrace your natural beauty. Namaste.